Welcome back to Daytime Live. So in a recent submission to the Jamaica Star's Dear Pastor column, a 42-year-old man revealed that his marriage to his American wife has been falling apart for 2 whole years.
This is because he couldn't find the crazy... I'm joking. No, after she moved out and started seeing someone else, he stayed with a Jamaican friend, and here's where it gets complicated. He ended up having an affair with the friend's wife.
Wow, no, she's pregnant. Claims it's his baby, and he's terrified about what to do next. So we're going to talk about the question, right? Is he in violation of the bro code by being intimate with his friend's partner?
That's a question?
Yes. Answer it.
Asked by who?
Answer
Is it by virtue of this question? This question wasn't coined by a man.
Oh, you mean? Why?
No man never asked that question here.
If you sleep with him, Bridget's wife. Yeah, obviously. Obviously, you violate the bro code. Wife are different something, a different level something,
That is...
Yeah, man, wife are different something.
Barely even look in her direction, in her stratosphere of where she is. Yeah, much less for go...
And a best friend, a best friend, or just... A most best friend, if him, if them living, if him make him live with it.
And we're not talking about he accidentally saw her somewhere. If you're gonna have an affair with your friend's wife, this is ongoing. This is something that you had time to think about and not do.
I don't really, store information too much, So, well, the situation is, a man and his wife have a problem. And she leave. No, it's not she leave, it's...
She left.
It's like,
yes.
So, okay, so she leave. And then how him and the bro, how it go? Him and the bridging what? How them end up, because it said him end up staying at him bridging, it's like...
Yeah, that's...
No man, so it's him that have to come out of the house and go live with him bridging and then sleep with him bridging wife, that's like...
How would them so? Whether or not, however it happened, it reached the point that he have an affair with him bridging wife.
Right, but the reason why I wanted the clarification is because it's not very different. But it's different when you go into a man yard and decide say you go.
The man welcoming him space.
In him space, right? It's a different level of violation if a man welcome you into him space and then while in that space you violate, And then there's a lot to be said about the woman too, boy, I don't know if it's that boy, I don't know. All right, so right there, so now, that bridging there, the bridging whose wife was in the affair with the next bridging. Him now, him just kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It's amazing. You lose a false friend and you lose a false woman.
Well, I don't think there's nothing a false friend. I think he's a friend or he wasn't a friend. Because if he was a friend, he wouldn't even go this up. If you were a friend, you can't be a friend conditional. When everything all right, then he's my friend. Then when stuff sticky, that is not my friend. No, man. We were never friends then.
Yeah.
Friend wife? Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That's a definite.
Next
violation.
Our next topic.
It's decision making. So, all right. So it's the same thing. I mean, as I said, that is why I phrase it the way I phrase it because. What?
More ask a question.
Each thing is a decision, though.
If you were so friend A was the one who separated his wife, right? Mm-hmm. Friend B is the one who accepted friend A into his space. Mm-hmm. So if you're a friend B, would you put your pride aside and take care of the baby?
Friend B? You mean if I would have taken care of my best friend and my wife, baby, as mine?
Because you're married. You're
idiot, man. You're sick in the head, man. You don't say,
hey, I'm going to tell you something.
You
see, anytime we have these topics and these questions and these scenarios and it's bro code and men, make some men write this something because
you can't do something your life.
No, ask
me, man.
Yeah, hold on. Well, I know? Yes.
No.
Yes, because, of course, I am from the land of being a kunomono.
No, man.
No.
No, man.
Not that.
No, man.
What you mean?
You know what I'm going to end up happening? Let me tell you what I'm going to end up happening. See it?
What happened?
That woman there and that youth, they're going to end up practically alone. And the 2 bridging, them are going to end up back bridging somewhere way down the line. And that's going to happen.
No, man.
Me tell you.
Me don't really think me could ever be bridging him again.
I tell
Ever.
You, it depends.
That must be mad.
It depends, man. You have some scoundrel who can trick you, you know. So you can marry to a scoundrel, you know. And you never know till after something like this happen, you know. And then afterwards, after a while, you say blouse and skirt, boy, brother, you know. Say, me give thanks, car. Right now, more that thing there. And now you have a reason. So in the event of a divorce, you're not entitled to. You understand? You have a reason. You have an out. So maybe your brethren save you. You're good at dodge a bullet. You good at dodge a bullet?
Me dodge a bullet or him dodge a bullet?
No, man, you're nasty. Brethren.
You're nasty.
No, let me tell you why you're nasty.
You're nasty.
Remember, say, a man leave him family to cleave to him wife and his new family where he must start, you know. Right. So really and truly, that woman is your partner to begin a new life. She and you are the foundation of your future, you know.
Right.
All right. Mm-hmm. All right. So, which one wrong her? The two of them wrong, you know. Yeah. We know that.
Yeah.
But which one wrong her? You make it sound like say your virgin dodge a bullet, but really and truly, I save you, you know.
Man, I joke, man.
When you're really preach. No, but when you're really preach, I save you. Cause you would have spent the next couple of years now with that woman you were really and truly.
The situation saved me. Him never saved me because his intention was not to save.
Fear. Oh, you know.
It wouldn't be a surprise.
Well, all right. If I didn't me, I said I said it. I said, brother, I do me a favor. You know.
It's all right. Off here, you can see the entire.
All right. Suppose.
Your nose is a doorpost.
No, man. All right, fine. But suppose. All right. Let's say A and B. Same scenario.
Yeah.
You could call me friend A or you friend B, right? Suppose before the marriage, me I tell you say, yo dog, don't marry to that girl there. Brother, you know, you tell you say don't marry to that girl there. Me see her with John, me see her with Tom, me see her with Harry.
That's a whole different, And
then you decide say you're married, you're gonna marry.
No, guess what? No.
And then me, you know, to me being married, me not pay no mind. And then my relationship mash up and my day at the yard.
So you come mash up?
No, I'm not gonna mash it up, but my day at the yard.
But he won't go on, no.
And me I say, brother, you know, sister, and you not answer, and then I go so. See it there?
But here what going on? Hold on, stop. Let me show you why that not pass. Because it goes up and produce.
And the next paper jump out.
Right. So it wasn't the next paper. From the paper and next paper.
Yeah, from the next paper jump out.
That means there's something.
No, man, it can't work anyway you take it. Me just try to find a weird scenario. Maybe.
I like this, that we're going to have these types of conversations. But them topics are too easy, man. Them topics wrap it up quick and fast.
Yeah, we have to, trust me, I jump through some hoops to find some scenario.
Yeah.
But yeah.
This is a quick something. We'll just wrap this up quick. But I tell you, in a real life, this would have been done with the answer to the question with that look.
Listen, my brother's wife is automatically my sister here. That's something there.
And with that,
I think that
daytime life will so forward after this break.
I'm the man.